buntag!
Buntag!
Maupan
Bye!
na
Hello, hello
aga.
mga kapuso! Bye, thank you. Thank you for having me. Sobrang happy ako to be back here in Cebu. At balita ko, buwan naman daw ako
Oo.
for today's show.
O diba? After 2 years, ikaw yung unang bisita namin face-to-face. How does it feel that you're back here in Cebu?
Happy and at the same time excited.
The last time you saw each other pala was at the GMA
Ball.
Gala Night.
Sa Gala Night.
Oo.
Yes, yes.
Kumusta yung naging experience mo doon?
Ano yun? Parang it's also the first time after a long time na nabuo yung mga artista ng Kapuso Network. As in everyone, including from the seniors down to the new and upcoming stars. Nagsama-sama kami for Thanksgiving. It's because it's GMA's 72nd anniversary. And also siguro a way of Thanksgiving na rin na everything slowly going back to normal.
Since ito yung pangbuwan naman ng Kapuso Mall Show mo dito sa Central and Eastern Visayas, how does it feel na makakasama mo ulit yung mga fans mo dito sa Cebu?
Masaya kasi doon din kami kung saan ako nag-first mall show sa Ayala Center, Cebu. So parang nagiging nostalgic yung feeling sa akin talaga sa totoo lang kasi nga ito talaga parang nararamdaman ko na tuloy-tuloy na at sana wala na makapigil sa pagbalik natin sa normal.
And talking about tuloy-tuloy, eto tuloy-tuloy na, Startup PH, your
Yes.
newest project. How excited are you to be in this project, Alden?
Masaya po and at the same time very excited kasi it's my first K-drama adaptation project and it's also my first project with Bea Alonzo since she became a Kapuso. And I've never done a adaptation in my history since I started. So, excited yet pressured kasi syempre may benchmark na tayo, meron nang naipalabas.
Ngayon pa lang, proud na kami sa'yo bilang si Tristan dito sa Startup PH.
Yes,
And talking about your character, Tristan, kasi I saw the original Korean
Yes, of
version of
course.
Startup, di ba? And I see similar qualities of you and si Good Boy, si Tristan. Pero ano din yung mga nakikita mong differences ninyong dalawa?
Siguro mas bawas dun sa suplado side. Hindi naman talaga ako ganun in real life. Siguro minsan lang pag natatimingan akong na, syempre hindi naman tayo perfect. Minsan meron din tayong bad days na wala tayo sa mood or pagod or stressed out. Pero I see to it na every time na humaharap ako sa mga tao, hindi ko pinapakita yung side na yun. Ito kasi si Tristan masyadong upfront eh. Kaya lagi siyang misunderstood. So, ultimo yung hindi naman pala negative sa kanya, ang perception ng ibang tao is negative pag siya yung nagsasabi. So, ano lang siya, kumbaga siya yung real talk talaga whenever he talks to someone.
But really, we're very excited to see you as Tristan on screen, and we're also very excited to see you beside Bea Alonzo.
Yes,
What's it
yes.
like to be working with her, Alden?
Hindi pa lang ako artista, idol ko na silang dalawa ni John Lloyd and tsaka si Bea sa One More Chance. And I'm very vocal about it since I first met her. And the first time I met Bea was way back 2018 or 2017 yata. And sa kanila lang ako na starstruck na dalawa kasi nasa isang event kami together and it was my first time meeting them. And then I had an opportunity to work with her with an endorsement that we had, a common endorsement that we have sa ibang bansa. And yun, dun ko talaga siya nakausap. Dun ako nakapag-build ng connection with her.
Ano pa yung mga aabangan namin na mga eksena dito sa startup? Ano talaga yung mga tumatak na mga eksena for you?
Of course, since it's an adaptation, we retained the iconic scenes. That's what we call it. Siyempre, yung mga tumatak na eksena doon sa series na nabit-bit ng mga fans ng K-drama version up to today. But we tweaked it. We add elements ng pagiging Pilipino. Kasi at the end of the day, of course, we wanted Startup PH to be also recognized outside of the Philippines, but we wanted to be recognized as a Filipino product.
At dahil
Thank you.
mentor yung role mo
Yes.
dito sa Startup PH, di ba? Ano naman yung maibibigay mong advice
Ito na tayo.
sa mga tagahanga mo, Alden? Lalo na yung who wants to start also with their lives, with their careers, or any passion projects that they have.
Ako with everything that you will do in life, every decision that you will make, every choices that you will make, it always starts a question sa sarili mo eh. You have to have, you got to have to question yourself all the time. Number one, is this really what I want? Gusto ko ba to?
And with that, Alden, please invite all our kapuso dito sa Central and Eastern Visayas na abangan ang Startup PH.
Yes, mga kapuso, sobrang na-miss ko po kayo. I'm so happy to be here. I'm of course with Cecil and all our team dito sa GMA Regional Cebu. And we're very excited na sana po abangan nyo ang pag-ere ng Startup PH, our very first Korean adaptation, my very first Korean adaptation project.
Daghang salamat, Alden.
Daghang
and
salamat
wish you
po.
all the best
Thank
for
you.
Startup PH.
Salamat.
Thank you so much for guesting on our program. Pang buena mano, mga kapuso. Once again, Alden Richards.
Thank you
so
po.
much.
Thank you.